Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to draw NBA Hall of Famer and legend Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant was an American professional basketball player. He played 20 years with the Los Angeles Lakers and is regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Kobe won 5 NBA championships, was an 18-time All-Star, 15-time member of the All-NBA team, 12-time member of the All-Defensive team, and NBA Most Valuable Player MVP, and 2-time NBA Finals MVP. So, I think everybody knows Kobe Bryant. I think we all know the legend that he was. Let's get drawing. Here we go. Find the center of your page. Find the center of your page. We're going to draw Kobe's head up here in cartoon format. So get a dark marker or black. And let's start with the jaw. We're going to do down to a point and up. So this down, rounded to a point, round. Now let's do the head. We'll go up to the middle, bring it down, and meet the jaw line right there. Let's draw some ears. His ears are a little bit bigger. They kind of poke out a little bit. So let's, over here we'll draw an up and out, up to a point and out. Now let's draw some eyes here. These are going to be a little bit smaller. Not as round as we always have with our other characters. Kobe has kind of smaller eyes. And draw a couple of rounded spots on top like that. Okay? His eyebrows are going to be right here to a point. There we go. And let's do the nose. Come down from the eye, down to a point. Sorry about that noise in the background. So now let's draw the mouth. We're going to have Kobe smiling. We're going to start out here, do a point, do a point. Big smile from Kobe. Do a line underneath. Let's do his hair on top. Okay, we're going to color that hairline in black here in a minute. In the eyes, we're going to do a circle on the inside, circle on the inside, small circle, small circle. We're going to color this area black, leaving those small circles white because those are the highlights that bring our characters to life. And then we're going to do a little light blue highlight on the bottom, so I'll show you there. So get a light blue, kind of a baby blue marker, and I do this just to bring a little fun to our characters. We treat it like a stadium light reflection on the eye as they're on the court. The marker's getting a little dried out. That's okay. Okay, get your dark marker and let's draw the rest of the body, and then we'll color it. So neck comes down, curve up and down for the jersey, jersey shoulder, curve out on both sides for the arms, bring that jersey down, waist, slant up to connect, there we go. Let's do the shorts. Out, out. Okay. Now the legs are small because we do these cartoon style drawings. Let's do some shoes. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. We make our shoes really big and cartoon-like. Kind of add some fun to our characters. Bring that heel down straight across. There we go. We got the basics there of Kobe Bryant. Now let's do a big circle out here for the basketball, an oversized basketball. And it does not have to be perfect, and never is. Some circles on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a thumb. The arm going out, connecting to the ball. Okay. And over here we're gonna do Kobe's arm going down. Short line, long line. He's gonna hold up. The thumb goes out. He's gonna hold up number 1. 1, 2, 3 for the fingers. Bring that arm down to the elbow. Okay, so we have the outline of Kobe Bryant. We're gonna color this. Let's see if we can do, I'm gonna get a yellow marker real quick, kind of a gold marker. I'm gonna outline the 24. Before that, we're gonna draw a couple of slants on the side. We're gonna color these in gold, and same down here. Down on the side of the shorts. We're gonna give them a purple, kind of that purple jersey. So let's draw the 24. 24 is kind of a difficult number to draw, so bear with me. If you need to pause, go ahead. Down. There's a 2. Down. Alrighty. Now the Lakers logo is an interesting one. We may have to come back. Let's try that. I might have to do it in purple and then come over it with let's do a Prismacolor. It's like a colored pencil. Looks like this. Here's our Prismacolor. Here's the pencils that we use. We'll color this in purple, and then we'll get a yellow and white, and we'll draw the Lakers logo. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fast forward now on our Kobe Bryant drawing. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe. We have some offers in Patreon if you wanna make some special requests and get your drawing right on the channel immediately. Or if you want one of our original marker drawings, if you want the original, we can sign that, we can autograph that. Just go to our Patreon account, link is in the description, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for joining us.